In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect responses on Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a form with your audience via email and start receiving answers right away. First, open Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Forms homepage. Here, look for the section labeled Recent. This is the quickest way to find a form or quiz you've worked on recently. If the form you want isn't visible at first glance, scroll a bit or use the search bar at the top to locate it by name. Select the form you want to collect responses for to open its editor. With the form open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Collect Responses. This is your hub for sharing options. Click that button to bring up the sharing panel. In the panel that appears, choose the invitation option. This method lets you send your form directly to people via email, which is ideal when you need a curated list of recipients or want to keep distribution controlled. You'll see a field where you can add recipients. Click into the email address field and start typing the addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add multiple recipients, and you'll typically see suggestions from your contacts as you type. Keep your list accurate and up to date to ensure everyone you intend to reach receives the form. Once your recipients are in place, you can optionally customize the email's message to provide context, such as deadlines or instructions, so people understand what the form is about and why the response matters. You may also want to double-check your form's settings before sending. For example, you can decide whether anyone with the link can respond or only people in your organization, and whether each person can submit one response or multiple. These settings help you control access, prevent duplicates, and keep your data clean. When everything looks good, click Send. Microsoft Forms will deliver the invitations, and each recipient will receive an email with a direct link to your form. As responses start coming in, you can monitor them in real time by switching to the Responses tab inside your form. From there, you can view summaries, drill down into individual submissions, and export results to Excel if you need deeper analysis. That's it. You've collected responses using email invitations in Microsoft Forms, simple, organized, and ready for action.